Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. If you want to check your SSD's read and write speed without installing any benchmark software, then this video is useful to you. Windows already includes a built-in tool that lets you monitor your SSD's real-time performance. Here is how. First, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard. Alternatively, right-click on the free space on the taskbar and select Task Manager. If you are using Windows 10, Task Manager opens in the simplified view. Click More Details. Next, select the Performance tab. From the left pane of Performance, select SSD or disk. On the right side at the bottom, you will see several details about your drive, including read speed and write speed. These values are displayed in real time even when your computer is idle. If you start copying, moving, downloading or installing files, you will notice the read and write speeds increase according to the amount of disk activity. This gives you a quick way to monitor your SSD's performance without installing any third-party utilities. Keep in mind that these are live activity speeds, not your SSD's maximum rated speed. If you want to measure your SSD's peak sequential read and write performance, you will need a dedicated benchmarking tool such as Crystal Disk Mark. However, for checking how your SSD is performing during everyday tasks, Task Manager is more than enough. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to GearUpWindows and press the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos, tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.